this image here is a 3D model of our final model, right? It's an unmanned ground vehicle with a flatbed on top of it. These two hatches on top of there are for the electronics boxes, which contain the batteries, the sensors, and the different components that we may need to use to control the vehicle.
When I take a look at what happened today, one of my key highlights was being able to pitch this idea to a whole community of Ashesi students, getting to see the inspiration and the motivation sparked on their face.
This event was actually a very insightful experience for us because we got so much feedback. People asked us questions that we didn't necessarily consider, and it drew our attention to things that were important for our design too.
It was very innovative and fun. We got to see various projects. We're introduced to many innovations that were introduced in the D-Lab experience. So it was very exciting, and I would love to be here again next year.
Health Kiosk seeks to bridge the gap between healthcare by providing health services to everyone regardless of where they may be or their status. The health kiosk consists of a physical kiosk and also a web application, where in the kiosk the person have access to general OPD services like checking the temperature, the blood pressure, the height and the weight as well. We've gained some hands-on experience that when we go out there, we won't be found wanted, because working on these projects with D-Lab and with my team, we've actually learned a lot and benefited a lot.
This experience has been a great one. It has allowed me to also get feedback on my project, see what is working, what is not working, and also how to better shape my idea on who my customer base is and how to get the customer base I want.
We just finished the second Innovation Expo, that's how we call it, and it has a presentation of the design process that these teams have gone through to create whatever they have worked on over the semester, and also an exhibition on the actual thing that they have created. And it was just incredible looking at how you have different teams producing things locally, fabricating things locally that alternatively you would have to import expensive versions of them. You also have other teams working on things that would help local people to easily get access to crucial services like healthcare, education, and those things that really make life better.
When they got to understand that it's possible to solve problems as tough as digital access by carefully engaging in ideas that might not be conventional, but certainly we can get the leverage and the power from the design lab.